Hey, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Mailchimp to WordPress. You are going to head over your WordPress and also Mailchimp account. Sign in for those two platforms. As you can see, we have our account in WordPress and also on Mailchimp. And then we're going to integrate the website. But before that, I'm going to give you a few brief explanation about WordPress connected to our Mailchimp. So, as you know, Mailchimp is going to be a marketing platform or a marketing campaigns platform. So basically, we are going to create some, for example, newsletters. If we are going to create some websites, random websites or standard websites, and also for stores like integrating WooCommerce into the WordPress website. So it is going to be crucial to have a email marketing platform installed or integrated within WordPress. So we are going to guarantee that we are going to get recurrent traffic and also let's explore more audiences. So here we are going to head over the dashboard of our account. From here, we are going to click on integration at the left side of the screen. And then we're going to type in the name of the platform that we want to integrate. Basically, it is going to be WordPress. So we are going to type in WordPress. So we are going to see here the WordPress showing in here. We're going to click on it. And basically, we are going to start setting up the integration. So we are going to click on get started and we are going to head over WordPress plugin directory. So we are going to see in here, we're going to download the integration or the plugin, click on download, and then we're going to integrate it into the installation. To install it, it is going to be very simple. So we are going to head over the plugin section. And here, unfortunately, I do not have the access to this specific area because I need a subscription, but I do not have it at the time. You're going to get a specific place for setting up the files. Basically, you are going to put that zip into it, and it is going to install that plugin for Mailchimp. This is how simple it is to install Mailchimp within WordPress. When you finish the installation, you're going to get everything in order. Now, I'm going to let you see here the screenshots of the official app of the WordPress Plus Mailchimp. Basically, you're going to get the app integrated in here or the plugin from here. You're going to click it, then you're going to log in into your account. Once you have logged in, you're going to see the different lists that you have for the subscribers or the let's say signed up members. So from here, you can go ahead and modify some emails, set up some campaigns, and also start filtering up the discounts and also managing some fields that you are going to add into some forms that you are going to integrate. So from here, it is not going to be demanded from you to head over Mailchimp. Then you are going to set up the campaign, but it is going to be integrated in the WooCommerce, or not the WooCommerce, but the WordPress in general in here. So basically, this is it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.